In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up deal currencies in Hubspot. Whether you're dealing with clients from around the globe or simply need to manage various currencies for your business transactions, setting this up in Hubspot is essential to keeping your financial data organized and accurate. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Hubspot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Hubspot, or simply search for Hubspot and click on the appropriate link to reach the main page. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. You'll typically find the login option at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials, your email and password to gain access to your Hubspot dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Hubspot home. The homepage serves as your central hub for all tools and features you may require for your business management needs. Here, you'll need to locate the settings icon. In HubSpot, the settings can usually be found near the top right corner, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on the settings button will open up a whole range of configuration options for your HubSpot account. Next, look for the section titled Account Defaults in the settings menu. This section holds various default settings for your account, including those that pertain to currency. Click on Account Defaults to proceed. Navigating through these menu options might take a little scrolling, but don't worry. It's all part of the process to ensure your account is perfectly tailored to your needs. Within Account Defaults, you'll notice a tab marked Currency. This is your destination, so click on Currency. This section is specifically dedicated to handling all things related to finances and the currencies your account will deal with. Now, with the currency settings opened, you should see an option to add currency. Click on Add Currency and you'll be prompted to choose from various currencies around the world. Carefully select the currencies that are relevant to your deals and financial requirements. This step allows for thorough international transaction recording and management within HubSpot, making sure you keep everything in order and avoid potential discrepancies. And there you have it. Setting up deal currencies in HubSpot is that straightforward. By following these steps, you can streamline how you track and manage deals across different currencies, thereby enhancing your financial oversight and planning. Remember, setting up your deal currencies is not just about convenience, it's about ensuring accuracy and efficiency as your business operations grow globally. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides on making the most out of HubSpot and other tools. See you next time.